vegan keto breakfast. That's what we're gonna be making today. You guys are gonna love this recipe and you're gonna wanna do it for yourself. So let's start. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be making a vegan keto breakfast, chia pudding breakfast bowl. It's currently nighttime. I decided that I don't want to do this tomorrow morning because first thing, after I whisk everything together, I'm gonna have to wait like 20 minutes for everything to like absorb into the chia seeds. So that's no fun. I don't feel like waiting. And tomorrow when I wake up and I'm gonna have breakfast, I just want to have breakfast immediately. So I don't want to wait. So if you guys are like me, prep it the night before. That way tomorrow morning or the next morning you'll be able to have it without having to wait and have everything like absorb and like get marinated. Or it's not marinated, we're not cooking meat here, but you guys know what I mean, right? So today we got a few ingredients, right? We got chia seeds, we got hemp seeds, we got hemp protein powder, we got blueberries, we have coconut milk. Interesting thing about coconut milk, I used to think that the coconut milk that I would buy at the supermarket was actually coconut milk, but it was a coconut beverage. There's a difference, guys. I saw this video on YouTube and that's how I found out, because I thought that the coconut beverage that I had in the fridge was actually coconut milk, but it wasn't coconut milk. It was a coconut beverage. Difference is that, well, the other one doesn't really taste like coconut. This one's supposed to taste like coconut, and the ingredients in this are just organic coconut milk, water, and organic coconut. So it's 3 ingredients, that's it. And the other ones just have like a whole ton of ingredients, and it doesn't taste like coconut. This should taste like coconut and is high in fat, which is what we wanted. Has 11 grams of fat for servings per container, 6 for serving size for a 1/4 cup. So that's pretty good. So before we get started with this recipe, I've just been observing a lot, like on YouTube, social media, on the news and stuff, why people actually are doing this diet. And well, I'm sure a lot of you already know, it's basically just for weight loss for a lot of people. Although there's other studies that have shown that it's good for your skin, people with insulin resistance, blood pressure problems, people with epilepsy. There's a whole bunch of there's a list of like a whole bunch of benefits from doing this diet and why people are doing it. But I don't know how well it's gonna turn out in the long run. But we'll see. Eventually we'll see if people are actually benefiting from this diet. All I know is that I like to eat, and that's the main reason why I'm doing this video. And I saw this recipe, I'm like, I gotta try it out. And I know you guys are gonna like it. And without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow because it's nighttime. And after this B-roll, I'm gonna finish watching the Wizards game. So I'll see you guys later. morning, just pulled this out of the fridge, the pudding. I pulled it out of the fridge. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, it's already thickened up a little bit because the chia seeds, it absorbed the almond milk and the coconut milk. So it had time to, yeah, thicken up, which is gonna have more of a pudding consistency, which is what we're expecting. So all we're gonna do right now is just pour this thing into here, and I'm gonna just try a little bit, just for the sake of this video. Put a little bit of blueberries on top. Wait, sprinkle some hemp seeds first. Sprinkle some hemp seeds and some blueberries. And there we go. We have our chia pudding breakfast bowl right here. So let's try it out. See if it's actually good. If it turned out good. I didn't use any stevia because I didn't want to. But if you want to like sweeten it up a little bit, you guys can use liquid stevia. But I didn't want to. So let's try this out. Oh, there's no need for liquid stevia. Tastes very good. The coconut milk. The coconut milk has a very coconut flavor, a very coconut-y flavor. It tastes like coconut. Like I mentioned before, if you guys were to use the coconut beverage, make sure you guys look at that when you go to the supermarket and you go to the milk section and you see the coconut beverages. It doesn't say coconut milk on it, it says coconut beverage on it. So I actually use the coconut milk and it tastes really good, man. This tastes really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to it, share it, and if you guys want to see anything else, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be taking a look at the comments, and if there's anything specifically you guys want to see, any recipes, I'm down to do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.